That'll get your heart pumping.
Oh, that'll get you going there, bro.
Going right there.
You never want that. That's not good. When in doubt, stack the rock.
All right.
It's Kubota Jeep, baby. Out west, Moab.
Yeah, buddy.
You're a new Poison Spider?
Poison Spider.
Heck yeah, what other
Trifecta.
trails?
What is it?
Maybe.
Gold rim or Moab? It's not Moab rim. Something rim.
We'll figure it out.
Follow.
You ready for this?
Oh yeah.
Heck yeah.
I like this trip.
Day 2. Ready for Poison Spider?
Oh yeah.
Think this LJ's got it?
Oh yeah.
All right, let's do it.
Holy shit.
That'll,
That was
that'll,
vertical.
that'll get your heart pumping.
Oh, that'll get you going there,
That'll get you
bro.
going right there.
Oh.
Driver. All right, stay in it. Stay in it. Yeah! Here's Golden Crack. We're finally here. Check out the crack. Crack. Crack is whack. Stay there. Don't move.
But just saying if you do.
All right, spot Joe back. Spot Joe back.
You got the controller? Okay. Gonna give you a little tug back, yeah.
Tighten. That's a cool end of the day. That's a grand finale right there.
I like it.
You like it?
The back just dropped on that one. And then when I kept backing up, this back left lowered.
Yeah. Happens sometimes.
That's whatever.
But you're good, that's why we have winches. If you ain't winching, you ain't wheeling.
So you asked me one time what that felt like? That's what it feels like.
Oh, they're gone. He drove the wheels off. Look where we're at. Look where we're at. Look where we're at. Okay, I don't know if you can see, but we're all the way up a fucking cliff. Coming down the trailhead, and his tire and wheel just decided to come off. See this? That's not good. You never want that. That's not good. All right, Sketchy Jeeps 101. When in doubt, stack the rocks.
Those guys have it.
Also, winch. Use that winch, pull on that bumper, lift that baby up some. No high left, bottle jack. Get that ratchet strap connected to the axle, lift that puppy up.
Oh, yeah, great. Come on, I know where you were. That's as good as Jason as you're gonna get. I'll tell you what.
Show them boys.
My day, my hat Jackson like that was fine.
You show them boys how we do it at Sketchy Jeeps, right, Jesse? Trail fix, baby.
Trail fix.